Hello, this is Aftab Khan, Executive Director at BRASI. In our series of explaining and discussing supply chain management terms and concepts, in this video we will talk about available to promise inventory. Acronym is ATP, available to promise. We use this approach when we are going to commit our stock to customer orders or manufacturing orders. So we know that physical inventory may be there, but part of it may already have been spoken for or issued to an order, customer order, manufacturing order. Some of it may be under QC hold until we can release. We can't use it, we cannot ship it because we still don't know the final outcome. So it's like your bank statement, right? You may have $100 in the bank, but you know that you have already cut checks for $20. They are not been presented yet. So when they're presented, you will left with only $80. Also, you may have some recurring auto payments, let's say $15. So now that leaves you with $65 total that you can commit to next expense. You also need to consider what's going to be received meanwhile, scheduled receipts of inventory or cash coming to the bank. So you can add that, include that. So basically, physical stock or cash on hand minus previous commitments not realized yet, not taken off yet, and what's expected to come into cash or to be received inventory. Of course, there are computer-based algorithms in the ERP system that look at these factors and give you a precise picture of when can you commit or when can you promise at what date based on physical inventory minus prior commitments and minus any holds plus what's going to be received in what date. So date by date, they can give you the system to give you a available to promise quantity. That's ATP. That's the gist of the ATP process. I hope that you found it useful. You can find more information and courses on these topics at our website www.brasi.org. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe our channel so we can continue to receive new updates. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.